Hi guys, it's Erin from Pussers, and today we're going to be making an espresso martini. I'm first going to start by adding ice and water to my glass to get it a good chill before I add my drink. And then I'm going to take my shaker and add some ice to it. I'm going to be adding a little bit of half and half to make it frothy. And then I'm going to take my chocolate cream, about a half a shot. And then 1 shot of Bailey's. And I'm going to be doing a 6 count of the Van Gogh Espresso Vodka. And next I'm going to shake that up. And you can go ahead and dump this into your well. And then I'm going to pour it in my glass. And that's our espresso martini.